To verify that batch information is correct before updating vendor balances, the batch listing report is a valuable auditing tool. To print the batch listing report, from the Reports menu, select Batch Listings, or from any active batch screen, click the Listing button. This report contains information and accounting activity for all entries and details of selected active batches for one of the specific batch types of current or archive batches. The Batch Status Inquiry screen also has access to the batch listing report from the Print Listing button and will allow selecting batches that have already been posted or even deleted. You may choose to print a single or a range of consecutive batches, either in detailed or summary format. When batches are printed to paper or file, they are flagged with a printed status, and editing a printed batch removes that status. You may choose to restrict printing to either open or printed status batches, perhaps to avoid reprinting batches that haven't changed. And a company profile option to require batches to be printed before they can be posted uses this status to determine selection. Adagio Payables batches support 2 descriptions on each entry. You may select to print either of the 2 batch descriptions, or both of them, with the second one on a separate row. The ledger account distribution summary for each batch may be printed at the end of the batch list, including changes to the control account prior to posting the batch. A company profile option provides further separation of these account summaries by the payables distribution code. And if multiple batches are selected to print, you can choose to separate the batches on different pages and set the page numbering for each batch. If Adagio ePrint is integrated, it is possible to generate a PDF file of batch listings rather than printing to paper. This includes the ability of putting the batch number or range of numbers into the PDF file name by editing the ePrint options for the report and including the %bat code as part of the name. If MultiCurrency is enabled, the batch listing has an additional option to print the home currency equivalent for transaction totals, along with the original source currency amounts and related exchange rates. Also, the ledger account distribution summary will provide a breakdown of transactions by currency to each account in both the original and home equivalent currencies. Ensure transactions are ready for posting by confirming them on the batch listing report. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.